In this video, I will show you how to use Motions Array SFX for better transitions. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. On the Motion Array homepage, scroll over to Sound Effects. On the left, you have filters and options to help refine your search. So I will scroll down to Free Sound Effects, and I am looking for a fast swoosh. Once you find the SFX that you like, scroll to the right and select Download, and your SFX will begin downloading. Once it has downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, double-click to unzip the file, and then add it to your home screen. Then go into your editing software, import your new SFX, and add it to your timeline. You can then position it to the desired place you would like this swoosh. You can also trim it down if needed. So you can see that it's a bit too long, so I'm going to make it a bit shorter for my transition. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.